This is a dish of braised pork belly with okra rice. I made in microwave oven. 这是我用微波炉做的红烧肉配秋葵米饭。Excellent color, aroma, and taste. 色香味俱佳。Do you want to learn? Come in and watch my video. 您想学吗？进来看我的视频。Frozen meat 300 grams. 冷冻肉300克。Thaw in the microwave. 放入微波炉解冻。A mixture of 200 ml soy sauce and 100 ml water. 酱油200毫升，水100毫升的混合液。Anise 八角。Cassia 玉桂。Heat over microwave for 15 minutes. 微波炉中火加热15分钟。Add 5 teaspoons sugar. 加5茶匙糖。Heat over high heat in the microwave for 5 minutes. 再用微波炉中高火加热5分钟。Cut the meat into slices 1 cm thick. 肉切成1厘米厚的片。The aroma of meat is strong and fragrant. 肉味香气扑鼻。Add cornstarch to meat broth. 在肉汁中加入玉米淀粉。Heat over medium heat in the microwave for 5 minutes. 微波炉中火加热5分钟。Cut okra into 1 cm small pieces. 把秋葵切成1厘米厚小块。Add 10 ml of vegetable oil. 加入10毫升植物油。Heat at high heat in the microwave for 3 minutes. 微波炉中高火加热3分钟。 Heat at high heat in the microwave for 5 minutes. 微波炉高火加热5分钟。The meat juice is very thick. 肉汁很浓稠。Put the rice in the middle of the meat. Drizzle the meat with gravy. 在肉上淋上肉汁。Cover the rice with okra. 把秋葵盖在米饭上。This dish is ready. 这道料理就做好了。This meat has a strong aroma of star anise and cinnamon. 这肉有浓郁的八角和玉桂香味。The combination of the salty taste of soy sauce and the sweet taste of sugar is very good. 酱油的咸味和糖的甜味结合得很好。The meat is very soft and tender. It's really delicious. 真是太香了。The rice are wrapped in gravy. 米饭裹上了肉汁。This method of cooking in a microwave oven results in no oil fumes in the kitchen. 这种用微波炉烹饪的做法，厨房里没有油烟。Just as fragrant as cooking over a stove. 和炉火做出的一样香。Okra is very crisp and refreshing. 秋葵很清脆爽口。There are both meat and vegetables, and the nutritional combination is very good. 有荤有素，营养搭配得很好。Do you like this dish?
你喜欢这道料理吗？
Would you try making this dish at home? 您会在家尝试做这道料理吗？ Please write down your thoughts in the message area. 请在留言区写下您的想法。Thank you watching. See you next time. 感谢您的观看，我们下次再见啊。